Okay, guys, I was tempted since I was already out here at the Rockbridge Subdivision looking at the floor plans that Royal Oak has. I decided to come on over to the Eastwood homes too. They're a builder in the same subdivision. Anyhow, I thought this was a really nice home. The base price for this one is it's actually $271,900, which is not bad because it comes standard with 5 bedrooms. So I just wanted you to take a look at it. It does have a lot of upgrades in it, so I can't point out every single upgrade that it has, but I did want you to take a look at this floor plan. It's the Cypress 3 floor plan, and I wanted to give you your options. So you have the porch here, and this door here is on the side, which is interesting. So when you come in, the stairs don't hit you in the face. You have the stairs to the left of the front door. Okay, the wainscoting comes standard, so you don't have to pay extra for that, which is nice. Alright, the dining area. They have the coffered ceilings here in their dining area, which is nice. And like I said, there are plenty of upgrades in here. I'm not going to go through them all, but I just wanted you to see. Alright, so you have the kitchen here. They do allow you to have a backsplash, and you could choose it a standard backsplash, but then there are backsplashes that you have to pay for as an upgrade as well. So this is their kitchen, and this sunroom is nice. Oh, I was skipping all over the breakfast nook, but behind the breakfast nook is the sunroom. Okay. And a sliding glass door here leading out to the patio. A nice sized backyard. Okay. So this is the sunroom again. The breakfast area. The kitchen. Say hello! Hey! And the family room here. Alright, so this is the first floor, and there's a guest room on the first floor. It's not the master, but it is a guest room. So I wanted you to take a look at that too. This is the full bath that's on the first floor, and it has like the Jack and Jill entrance where you can enter the bathroom from the guest suite on the first floor as well. So that's the closet to the guest suite on the first floor, and this is the guest suite itself. So this is on the first floor. Okay, so that's the first floor of the Cypress 3 in the Rockbridge Subdivision, and let's go back down the hall and go up the stairs to the second floor, because I wanted you to see the way that they have the model design is optional. So when you go up the stairs for the floor plan, to the left, you could have this whole space as an extra bedroom, but they have it as an open loft. So it just depends on what you want it to do and how you want it to design it. But they have the open loft here. Okay. And then the full bath in the hallway. And these are the other 3 bedrooms. So like I mentioned, it comes standard with 5 bedrooms, or you can have 4 bedrooms plus that loft I just showed you. The washer dryer connections here. The laundry room is upstairs on this floor plan, right beside the master bedroom. This is the master. Oh, let me go back so you can see these tray ceilings here. And the master. Alright, and you have an option to have a third floor, finished third floor. But I'm not going up there today. I just wanted you to see the first and the second floor here. This is the master bathroom that comes along with the Cypress. Okay, inside the master bathroom, you have the closet. So instead of having it in the bedroom, it is within the master bath suite. You have the closet here. Okay, all right, so $271.9 is the base price for this one. And the square footage is about 24 square feet, but it can go up depending on if you get the sunroom or if you get the third floor finish. So, but about 2,400 square feet. This is in Knightdale, also in the same subdivision, Rockbridge Subdivision. All right, let me know what you think.